So the Autonomous Snowplow competition is a competition held at the St. Paul Winter Carnival every year for the last 6-7 years, and it's sponsored by the Institute of Navigation. The idea is to encourage students to build a vehicle to autonomously plow snow from a sidewalk or from a driveway, to start and stop from a garage, to avoid obstacles. But there's more. The Snowplow competition is about getting students motivated in STEM.
And one of our big important things at Honeywell is to encourage STEM education throughout the United States, so this really achieves that goal.
If you're interested in math, if you're interested in science and want to put it to practice, this is a perfect way to actually apply what you might be interested in to pretty cool design in a pretty cool competition. I mean, robotic snowplow is, doesn't get a whole lot cooler than that, right?
I think the lessons that the students will learn in designing and using sensors to guide their vehicles is what's hot right now. Companies like Toro, we're watching this space and working in this area, and I definitely see room for those skills in today's job market, and including Toro.
The evolution of technology has gone from things that are extremely simplistic to advanced uses of GPS, to using laser rangefinders, to using magnetic fields, and just the wealth and breadth of the innovation that the students are showing is extremely encouraging for how STEM is progressing in the future.
Really excited to be here at the 6th annual Autonomous Snowplow competition in beautiful St. Paul, Minnesota.
We're one of the few teams that have done it, every year, and it works into our programs that we have in Dunwoody for ASRO and ELTT, because everything that's on the plow is what we learn in class. So we get to use what we're learning in class in real-world aspects.
Last year, our big two failures were our robot didn't know where it was, so it was really hard to figure out where it wanted to go if it didn't know where it was. So we have a localization system that utilizes ultra-wideband beacons to triangulate where the robot is, or trilaterate, really.
Hi, we're at the University of St. Thomas. This is the John Snowplow. It's a hydraulic, gas-powered, autonomous snowplow. It's powered by a quadcopter controller. It uses GPS to navigate itself through this course and plow as much snow as possible.
We have two teams competing here at the Autonomous Snowplow competition, Team Yeti and Team Zenith. We are here to win, hopefully, and overtake the reigning champion, Team Zenith.
Robot broke down multiple times. There are people who came in with tools to help us. We needed to drop by the hardware store to pick up some weights, and there are people there ready to pick us up and drop us off there. So we're really thankful for just the opportunity to come here, build robots, and all the people who've helped us along the way. Definitely the friendliest people we've ever met, and we come from Canada. It's just, everybody here is just so nice, and we love it here.
This is the Greenwood Elementary School Lego League team, robotics team, and we're from River Falls, Wisconsin. We came down to the St. Paul Winter Carnival for the Autonomous Robotic Snowplow competition, and we're excited to be here. Cheer!
The main reason why I do this is just the experience. I just like learning. I love learning. I love learning more about how these systems work. I love learning more about different coding methods, and I love learning from gaining different ideas from the other teams on different ways to do something such as an autonomous snowplow.
So autonomy and its introduction into vehicles is something that Google, Apple, Honeywell, Intel, Facebook, just a wide breadth of companies are working on.
The lessons I learned, how something that works indoors doesn't necessarily work outdoors when it's 0 degrees. That's something that we take into our projects today, and I learned that here. I learned that at the Autonomous Snowplow competition.
We've got Toro here sponsoring, we've got John Deere, we've got Polaris, so we've got all these companies that would have an interest in being able to actually make something like this into a reality.
And in first place, of course, that goes to the University of Dearborn Team Yeti. Another University of Michigan team really competed well and had no extra penalties, didn't hit the boundary, didn't have any restart, going right back to the garage. Congratulations, the award amount is $7,000. Congratulations to the University of Michigan.